Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing here today? This is Love Attemptress for the Gaming Dynasty channel and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! So today I'm coming to you with another humble bundle that came out. This one came out yesterday. It is a book bundle. It is the Starfinder Bug Busting Bundle. And it is all about TTRPGs or tabletop RPG games. So this one, explore the stars and the beloved science fantasy TTRPG. Navigate the stars in a universe where gods, magic, and technology intersect and become the intergalactic hero you've always wanted to be in Paizo's legendary science fantasy tabletop role-playing game Starfinder. This bundle has everything you'll need to explore the galaxy, including the Starfinder Armory, Starfinder Operations Manual, Starfinder Adventure Junkie's Delight, the first standalone adventure, and dozens more. If you spend $35 or more on the bundle, you'll also receive a physical copy of the Starfinder Armory from Paizo, shipping and handling not included, all while supporting World Central Kitchen's missions to provide meals in response to humanitarian, climate, and community crises. That is right. If you are new, Humble Bundle supports a charity with each and every bundle that you buy. So if you scroll on down here, you can check out the charity. This one is the World Central Kitchen, so you can read more about it. And you can also adjust your donations. Now, the top one today is $35, but that's if you get the physical book. I'm going to actually base it, normally I do it based off the top one, but I don't know that everybody's going to get the book. So I'm going to base it off the next to top one, which is $25. So you can adjust your donations, which is pretty cool, which is why there's also options to pay over and above what the bundle is. All right, so your default donation is always going to be this. Now I do have this here, and that's to remind myself to tell you about it. If you use my affiliate link down below, I am a Humble Bundle partner, so it is an affiliate link. It does help support me a little bit. So first of all, thank you so very much. But second of all, you actually don't have to use that. If you want to, you can go straight to humblebundle.com. And so this is the default donation. You can click to just give extra to charity, and you'll notice you give more to charity on that one. But you can also go to custom. So on here, the publisher is usually the first one here, but if you wanted to give more to, say, the charity, which a lot of people do, then you can actually increase how much they will get. Humble has a built-in default amount they will get on each bundle. That is just so that they can keep this running and keep the site going and everything. So obviously we want to do that. So that's why they have that built in. But mine, you can actually put all the way down to 0. And let me tell you, it's not going to hurt my feelings if you do it. I actually won't even know because Humble doesn't tell me. They don't tell me who buys the bundles, and they don't tell me, you know, how much somebody gave me if you do purchase a bundle. So even if you do click on my link for any reason whatsoever, you don't want to do that, you can put that down to 0. And I am perfectly fine with that because I am all about sharing the awesome deals with you. So I like to get that out of the way first and foremost. Now let's get taking a look and see what is in the bundle. Oh, and before I go any further, other than obviously the physical copy like this one, the rest of these are all on PDF formats. Which of course is great because that means you can use them everywhere. All right, so the first tier today is $5. Normally it's $1, but I mean, with this kind of bundle, you really don't want $1 one because it's not going to be very good. So our first tier today that you can purchase is $5. Of course, if you click on each and every one of these, you can click and it will tell you the information. Now they did start adding the retail, however, I sometimes get a different amount, but I will always be honest with you. Just because I'm a Humble Bundle partner, I will always tell you the honest values of the bundles. And of course, you can read more about it here. Also, You can click and check out the publisher, and this will give you even more information, like a cool little video, on the stuff that you're getting. So there's all that available. However, I've broken it down and cut all that for you. Woot woot. Well, not the detailed information, because some of this is a little bit hefty, so that you'll have to read. But I got the prices for you and what is included. So for $5, you're going to get a total of 11 items, excuse me. First one is the Starfinder Core Rulebook. This is normally $9.99. And obviously, you're going to need the rulebook to play the game. Then we have the Starfinder Player Character Folio. This one is normally $6.99, and of course, it's going to help you create characters. Then we have the Starfinder Alien Archive. This one is normally $9.99. I think these creatures are so adorable. Next up, we have Starfinder Society Scenarios. This is Packed World Warriors. This one is normally $5.99. And then we have Starfinder Society Scenario, Meeting the Queens. This one is also normally $5.99. Then we have Starfinder Adventure Path, Attack of the Swarm. This is book 1 of 6, Fate of the Fifth. This one is normally $15.99. Then we have the Starfinder Flip Mat. It is a basic Starfield. This is normally $10.49. Starfinder Flip Mat, Basic Terrain. This is normally $10.49. Starfinder Flip Mat Asteroids, which is normally $10.49. The rest of the flip mats, I'm just going to tell you, they're normally $10.49. So then we have Ghost Ship and Jungle World. So you get a total of 5 different flip mats to go with all this, which is pretty cool. So that brings our total for Tier 1 to $107.39, which of course is awesome. All right, now this one is a little bit, oh yeah, it is. Okay, they fixed it. So Tier 2 is $10, and you'll get a total of 23 items, but that does include the previous 11 items. All right, so next we have the Starfield Alien Archive 2. This is normally $9.99. Then we have the Starfield GM screen, which is normally $13.99. Then we have the Starfinder one-shot Band on the Run. This is normally $5. Then we have Starfield Society Scenario, The Stumbling Society, Part 1, Sangoro's Lament. This is normally $5.99. And then we have Starfinder Society Scenario, The Stumbling Society, Part 2, Sangoro's Gifts. And this one is normally $5.99. Next, we have Starfinder Society Scenario, Blue Rise Breakout. This is normally $5.99. Then we have Starfinder Society Scenario, Illegal Shipment. This one is also normally $5.99. Then we have another one of the Starfield Adventure Path, Attack of the Swarm. This is book 2 of 6, The Last Refuge, and it is normally $15.99. Then we have Starfield Adventure Path, Attack of the Swarm, book 3 of 6, Husk World, and this is normally $15.99. Then we have some flip mats. We have the Starfinder Flip Mat Cantina, which is normally $10.49. And Starfinder Flip Mat Undercity, which is normally $10.45, and Pathfinder, a little bit different one, Pathfinder Flip Mat Classics. This is the Forest, which is normally $8.99. And that is all of the new stuff in this tier. So that brings our total so far for all 23 items. It is actually worth $222.28, which is an awesome deal. Then for our third tier, we have a total of 37 items for $25. So this one, we have Starfinder Armory. This one is normally $9.99. Then we have Starfinder Character Operations Manual, which is normally $9.99. Starfield Adventures Junker's Delight, which is normally $15.99. Starfinder Society Scenario Data Purge, which is normally $6.99. Next, we have the Starfinder Society Scenario Cost of Living, which is normally $5.99. Then the Starfinder Society scenario, Shades of Spite, which is normally $6.99. Starfinder Society scenario, Cornered Rat, which is normally $6.99. And then we have more of the Starfinder Adventures Path, Attack of the Swarm. This is book 4 of 6, The Forever Reliquary. This is normally $15.99. Then we have Starfinder Adventure Pack, Attack of the Swarm, book 5 of 6, Hive of Minds, which is normally $15.99. And the Starfinder Adventure Path, Attack of the Swarm, book 6 of 6, The God Host Ascends, which is also normally $15.99. Next up, we have the Pathfinder Flip Mat, Forest Fire, which is normally $10.45. And then another flip map, Urban Sprawl, which is normally $10.49. And the Ice World, which is normally $10.49. Then we also have Pathfinder Flip Tiles Darklands Starter Set, which is normally $24.99. Alright, so this is going to bring your grand total for only $25 if you purchase this tier to $389.64 that you would normally have to pay for it, which again is such an awesome value. Now, the last tier is a little bit different because the only thing it adds is a physical copy of the Starfinder's Armory. It is the physical hardback book. Now, this, it is worth normally $39.99. So, you know, $40 book. But you do have to pay shipping if you choose this tier. So keep that in mind. It does say most international orders will range between $19 and $40 for shipping. And most domestic orders will range between $5 and $7 for shipping. So factor that in when you factor in it's only $30 for this tier because you'll also have to pay for shipping. All right, but that brings our total value of this top tier to $429.63. And very, very close this time to what Humble said. I actually went a little bit over. So definitely a good bundle. If you're looking to play Starfinder, the Bugbuster bundle, looking to get into tabletop RPGs, this is probably something you're going to want to look at. Even if you don't want the physical item, again, these are all in PDF formats. So you could print out a copy if you don't care about the hardback edition. And so then it would only be $25, which is awesome because it would include everything you need to play the game and a whole bunch of different campaigns, which is always pretty cool. All right, well, that's all I have for you today. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new videos we have coming up. And thank you for being here. Let me know what you think of this bundle. This one is probably not going to be one for me. I just don't have time at the moment to play any tabletop RPG style games. I have a lot of other games I'm really invested in at the moment, and I don't see me doing it in the near future. So this probably isn't going to be one I'm purchasing right now. My husband might, but yeah, it's just not one of those in the cards for me. And I always try to be honest with all of you, whether it's one that I'm looking at picking up or one that I'm going to pass on for now. So this is going to be one that I'm going to pass on for now, but then again, my hubby might pick it up, and so then we'd have it anyway. All right, that is it for me today. So until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.